Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Citibank rewards card password detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your Citibank rewards card password, start by visiting the official Citibank website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign On button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign On button. You will be directed to the login page. Below the login fields, find and click on the Forgot User ID or Password link. This will take you to the password recovery page. You will need to enter your user ID and the last 4 digits of your social security number. After entering this information, click on the Continue button. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. You may receive a verification code via email or text message. Enter the verification code in the specified field on the website. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. After confirming your new password, click on the Submit button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. Now you can return to the login page. Enter your user ID and new password to sign into your account. Once logged in, make sure to update any password recovery options as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.